Sit with your legs crossed. Sit with your legs crossed.
They're gonna try to kill me, please.
Who's trying to kill you? Get down over there!
Hold on. Okay, please, sir, please don't do this. Please don't do this, sir. Please, help me, please.
On the afternoon of January 3rd, 2023, a traffic officer in Venice, California was flagged down after a multi-car crash at Venice and Lincoln Boulevard.
Yeah, I see it. Where are you at? Who's the driver? Get off to the side here. Get on the street. Hey, stop right there. Get up against the wall.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Get up against the wall.
Please, sir, I didn't mean to.
Get up against the wall.
I didn't
Get
mean
up against the wall real quick.
Please.
Okay,
Please,
hold on
God.
a second.
Please,
Hold on
sir,
a
I didn't
second.
mean to, sir, please.
Hold on,
Please.
okay?
I'm sorry.
Mary 156, show me code 6 on a TC not involved.
Please.
We're going to be Venice, west of Lincoln.
Oh my God.
Possible DUI driver. I get additional units, please.
The car.
Okay, what happened?
I lost my key.
You lost your key?
Yes. I came and I had somebody fix my car for me, sir. Please, don't, please,
Okay,
sir.
do me a favor, sit
hey,
in
please.
here. Hey,
Sir, please.
sit down on your butt and sit with your legs crossed. Sit
Somebody
with your
gonna
legs
try to
crossed.
kill me, sir.
Sit with your legs
Please.
crossed.
They're gonna try to kill me, please.
Who's trying to kill you?
I had a stunt today.
What?
I had a stunt today, sir.
You
I
had
didn't mean to.
you had what?
A stunt. Like, no, that's a cost.
Okay, what car were you driving?
BMW.
The BMW.
They're gonna try to put stuff in my car.
Who's trying to put stuff in your car?
They're gonna try to.
Stay down for me. Hey,
Please.
hey, stay
Please.
here. Stay here.
Sir, I need
Stay
some water.
here.
Can you get some water? Please.
Stay here. I'll get you some water here in a second, okay?
Please.
Just have a seat up against the wall there,
Yes, sir.
okay? Have a seat against the wall.
Sir.
Have a seat against the wall
Alright,
here.
Everybody gotta see me, sir.
Have a seat
I don't want
against
to
the
be in the
wall
black.
over here.
I want people to see me.
Sir, okay, you can sit
Please,
right there
sir.
then. If you want to be seen,
I
sit
don't wanna
right there.
No, I don't want to sit right there.
Sit right
Please.
there if you want to have somebody see you.
Please.
Okay?
Please.
Just sit down for me a second here, okay?
Please, look, sir.
Sit down for me. Sit down.
You're putting a thing on me.
Sit down.
Making
I'm
me
not
hot.
putting anything. Come here.
Please.
Sit down over here.
Please.
I don't want you in the road.
Please.
Come here. I don't want you in the road. Come here.
Please.
Come here.
Please.
Come here.
Please. Please.
Come here. Turn over on your stomach right now!
Yes.
Turn over on your stomach right now! Turn over!
Yes.
Turn over!
Yes, sir.
Over on your stomach! Get over on your stomach!
Hold on. Okay, please. Please,
Get
sir.
down.
Please don't do this. Please don't do this, sir. Please. Help me, please. You know what? Help me, please. No, please help me. Help me, please. Please, 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 please.
Keenan, relax! Keenan, relax!
Help! They're trying to kill me. Hey, stop! I'm gonna take. Hold on. We already have a unit helping you guys out, right? So, give us a second. We're going to try to set everything up so that way no one gets hit and there's no other vehicles.
I think the guy up there needs help though, because the guy's trying to run away. The guy who's driving this car was the one.
Let's go get him.
Clean wall 56 coming.
Turn around! Turn over! Over on your stomach! Get over on your stomach!
Hold on.
Get down.
Please.
Get down.
Please, sir, please don't do this. Please don't do this, sir. Please. Help me, please. You know what? Help me, please. No, please help me. Help me, please. Please, please, please. Please, please. Watch out. Watch out.
Help! Help! They're trying to kill me!
Hey, stop! I'm gonna tase you. Stop! I'm gonna tase you.
Relo's trying to kill me! I have stuff on YouTube!
Stop it! or I'm gonna tase you.
Yes, sir.
Stop it! or I'm gonna tase you.
Hey, please help me! Help! Help!
Stop it! or I'm
These
gonna
are
tase you.
actors!
Stop it! or I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Turn over. Turn over. I'm gonna tase you. Turn over. or I'm gonna tase you. Turn over. I'm gonna tase you.
Yes. I can't.
Watch your elbow, partner.
You're trying to George for me. You're trying to George
Stop
for
it.
me.
Stop it. or I'm gonna tase you. Okay. Stop it. or I'm gonna tase you. Stop it. or I'm gonna tase you. Stop resisting.
Please.
Stop resisting.
Please. Please. Please.
I'm gonna tase him. I'm gonna tase him.
They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. Reload.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Yes, sir.
Don't resist.
No.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Okay.
Stop it.
Help.
Stop
Help, please. Help.
it. Do not
I'm not
move.
resisting. I'm not resisting.
Do not move.
Okay.
If not, I'm gonna tase you again.
Okay.
I got one.
Okay. Help me. Okay.
Here, hold on. Stop it. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Okay,
Get down.
please.
Get down.
Please,
Get
sir,
down.
please don't do this. Please don't do this, sir. Please. Help me, please.
You know what?
Help me,
Let my
please.
hands go.
No, please help me. They're gonna kill me, please. Please, 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 please.
Keenan, relax. Keenan, relax. Watch out.
Help! Help! They're trying to kill me.
Hey, stop! I'm gonna tase you.
Reload.
Stop! I'm gonna tase you.
Reload's trying to kill me. I have stuff on YouTube.
Stop it! I'm gonna tase you.
Yes, sir.
Stop it! Or I'm gonna tase you.
Hey, please help me. Help! Help!
Stop it.
These are actors.
Stop it! I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Turn over. Turn over. I'm gonna tase you. Turn over. Or I'm gonna tase you. Turn over. I'm gonna tase you. Watch your elbow, partner.
They're trying to George for me. They're trying to George for me.
Stop it. Or I'm gonna tase you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stop it. Or I'm gonna tase you. Stop it. Or I'm gonna tase
Yes.
you. Stop
Yes.
resisting.
Please.
Stop resisting. Give me
Please.
your arms.
Please. Please.
I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you.
They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. Reload. Help.
Stop it.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Stop it.
Yes, sir.
Don't resist.
No.
Stop
Okay.
resisting. Stop resisting.
Okay.
Stop it.
Help.
Stop
Help,
it.
please. Help.
Do not move.
Get another cuff on. No, he's good.
Yeah, cuff. Do not move.
Okay.
If not, I'm gonna tase you again.
Okay.
Okay, I got one.
Help me. Okay.
Here, hold on. Stop it. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. I'll put that. Cut 14.45.
Reload did it. They think I killed Bank.
That guy right there, he caused that accident. He was trying to steal my car. Yeah, the police is doing the right job right now. Don't think that the police is abusing him. He was trying to go away.
I think that guy's in a very paranoid state.
I'm an Uber driver and he was trying to steal my car when he hit the other car right there.
Was he in the car?
Huh? Yeah, he was in the BM.
That's a taser.
Yeah, they're using the taser, right? That's good, man. It's,
Help
Relax,
me.
relax.
No, this is an act. This is an act. They're not police.
Stop it.
Help me.
Climb up.
Okay, no.
up? Yeah, just by his knees.
They're trying to kill me. Oh,
No.
help.
Nobody's trying to kill you.
Help, Pilo. 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 Pilo.
Listen up. Good. No, listen up, please. You want to walk? Just getting to walk? Here's. Huh? You good? Off and on, off and on. All right. I got him on the ground over there, just sitting on his own, and then he took off into traffic, right? He's
Help. They think I killed Pilo. They think I killed Pilo.
All right.
Help me.
Yeah.
Please. Please.
Black man.
They're trying to sedate me. I know too much. Pilo. Please.
Can you slam the side or not? Huh? Can you slam the side or not?
Yeah. I'll put you on your side, man.
Let me sit up. Sit up.
They sedated me. They sedated me.
Sit up. Sit right there.
Sitting up.
1425 words.
Yeah.
We'll assess him and start taking information, but we're not transporting. We gotta wait for him.
Okay, no problem.
Put your hands, put your hands.
Keenan Anderson was taken to Providence St. John's Health Center, where he lost consciousness about 30 minutes after being handcuffed. He was pronounced dead that evening. The medical examiner ruled the cause of death as cocaine use combined with cardiomyopathy, an enlarged heart, and listed the manner of death as undetermined. The district attorney declined to file charges against the officers. But the Los Angeles Police Commission later found that several taser deployments violated department policy, and LAPD changed its taser guidelines as a direct result of this case. The family initially filed a $50 million claim against the city. It was rejected. They then filed a wrongful death lawsuit seeking $100 million. That case remains active. He was a teacher, a father. His son was 5 years old. What started as a traffic collision ended with a man dead, and no clear answer, legally or medically, as to exactly why.